Good morning, y'all. I am headed to my new house, and today I'm going to give you a walkthrough. I have to meet with a contractor today, so I will have a walkthrough with you guys prior to him coming because I have a lot to talk to him about. So excited, was so excited to buy a new home. We have been leasing for a minute, and yeah, it's just like we felt like we're throwing money away. We have owned a home before, a really huge house, and I didn't want to do that again. And a huge house requires a lot of cleaning, and as we get older and our parents get older, that's just not feasible. Me and my husband are about to be empty nesters, so I have a daughter in college, I have a daughter about to graduate from high school, and my son is starting high school next year. So with that all being said, everybody's leaving, so in a matter of 5 years. So we were like, we don't want to go too big because we'll just have a big empty house that we won't use. So we'll just do the empty nester thing and go not small, because I can't live too small, but we went smaller. So I love the house. I love the bones of the house. There are a lot of things I'm going to do, a lot of things I'm going to change, but our original goal was to get a fixer-upper. So we looked for fixer-uppers, and it is like here in Dallas, it's a war zone because everybody wants a fixer-upper, not to live in, but to flip. So everybody's flipping houses, and so you're in a war with those people on trying to get a house. So I was like, no. And then some of the houses were kind of bad, so it was like, and then the neighborhoods, it was like, no. And then the ones that were fixer-uppers that were in nice neighborhoods were still way too expensive. So me and my husband decided to do a new build. But I knew I wanted to customize my own home. That's why I wanted a fixer-upper. So we got a spec home. And basically, if you don't know what a spec home is, it's a home that's already been built. So we found a builder that had a spec home. Well, my realtor, which I'm gonna tell you about her, she is the greatest. My realtor found a spec home that was build-a-grade. And she's like, I know y'all said y'all want to fix your own house up. Well, let me tell you, we're gonna have to do a little bit of everything. So I just want to take you guys on this journey with me. I'm gonna show you my empty house. I'm gonna show you how it looks befores and afters. I already have things I want to do because we're waiting a couple of weeks before we move in, because there's a few things we want to do to the house that are better done when you're not in it. All right, come on, let's go to the house. Hi guys, this is Ebony Butterfly, also known as Felicia, and this is my empty new home tour. Guys, I've been meaning to give you this a couple weeks ago, but I just got time to record from all the moving and the packing, so here we go. This is the front door. Of course, it's wood and glass. To the left is my husband's office. To the right is our formal dining. The office is in the front of the house, and it has French doors, and it has a closet, so it's also considered a room. This is our main family room, and this is the eat-in kitchen, as well as the kitchen, which is a galley style kitchen. It's a galley style kitchen that opens up to the family room. As you can see, the cabinets are dark, stained, and the appliances are stainless steel, which I like, but I do not like the faucet. I'm not into the dark faucets. I know that's the in thing now, but it's not my thing. So yeah, that will be changing. This is the pantry, and we're gonna make updates to it as well. This is the actual formal dining room, and don't worry, I have pictures in the end, guys. I know I'm kind of panning through fast. So this is the kitchen. As you can see, the backyard from the kitchen and the family room. Through this little archway, we enter into the master bedroom. As you can see, all carpet. Yeah, the fan is going in the background. Okay, it has one window in my master bedroom, which I thought was kind of odd, but I still have plans for this room, and I can't wait to show you guys all my DIYs and the things I'm gonna do. This is my bathroom, guys. I'm loving the tub. It is like humongous, y'all. It is like super big, and I'm loving it. It's my husband's shower. This is the mirrors, and I love the mirrors. You know, that's going to change as well, but it's beautiful. I love it. And again, here we go with these dark fixtures. Like I said, they are the in thing, and a lot of people love them. It's just not me. I like the brushed nickel better, but that's just my opinion. And for those who like the dark, congratulations. I just don't like them. This is the master closet, y'all, which I almost had a heart attack because you know your girl needs more closet space than this, but we're gonna make it work. We're talking about getting the Container Store to come and do our closet, so yeah, to make it work. Happy wife, happy life. So my husband is like, okay, we'll get the closets done. Yay me! And when we do that, I will let you see the video. I'm walking out of my master, and this is back into the kitchen, onto the patio, which is one of my favorite spots. I love the patio. I love being out here. All the trees. That's a house right there. It will not be a community behind me. It'll only be that house, but it'll be covered by trees when the spring comes. And this is the picture of my back porch area with a little landing space patio that we have. This is the backyard, trees, new trees, and these are all the trees, which I love trees. Back into the house. I'm going to take you to the other side, but I'm going to skip into the garage and show you how you would come in from this side. This is the actual garage to our home. And yeah, there's not much to see with the garage, but when we enter into the home, we will actually be walking into the laundry room. This is the laundry room, and yeah, they have the little wire shelf as well as the cabinet. It's just like a little cabinet. Plan on updating that. As you walk in, there's a pantry that I didn't open for you guys, but it's a pantry there. And then to the left, there is my kid's bathroom in this hallway. So as you can see, this is their bathroom. This is a little opening that's supposedly a pantry in their bathroom, which I thought was kind of odd, but hey, I got plans for that too. Go in, and this is a mirror for the kids, and this is their actual sink. And then there's a door between their shower slash bathtub and their toilet. So that's the kids. Then as we come out of this little space, we come into my son's room, which he is loving right now. He wants to paint the wall black, but mom's gonna have to think about that one and see how that's gonna work. But you know, he's a boy. I might even let him do it. He's so spoiled. Then the room across the hall from him is his big sister, who is my little princess. She has her room. She has plans for it, which I trust her. She's got really good taste. This is her closet. It's a double door closet. Again, we have the wire situation. Okay, now we're going to leave her room. And that's her one window. I think we all were allotted one windows in this house, which is funny to me, but I still have plans for them. This is the front, which you didn't get to see the door very well in the beginning. This is the actual family room with the windows and the view of the backyard. The family room, how it looks when you're looking at both sides. This is the actual kitchen area of the house. This is my kitchen. Yes, guys, this is part of the formal dining from the kitchen view. Again, here is another kitchen view. The cabinets, you can see them up close. And this is the house. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe.